I've met him like.
All right, listen up. What we're going to do is we're going to draw numbers. You want a high number. If you have a low number, sorry. Once we get all the numbers going, then if you have number 1, you'll pick. The gift you pick, don't get too comfortable with it. Because if it's a nice gift, it might get snagged from you.
But yes,
the most that it can get snagged in one round is 3 times. 3 times.
How do you snag it?
Okay, that means, like, let's say Jake's on, he's number 1, he picks a gift, and he likes it, but then Libby gets number 2, and she likes Jacob's gift, so she takes it. And then the next time around is a new round. It's a new round. Justin's on, and Justin takes it from Libby. Okay, Libby opens up something else. So it'll take us a while, but you'll see as we go.
Can I steal from Justin?
Instead of opening the book, could she steal from somebody else? She could steal it if she sees that Justin has a really nice set of earmuffs that she loves. She could steal those earmuffs.
Open it?
You can choose to open something else, or you can choose to steal. And this is the only time when it's all right to steal as a Christian.
Can you steal back?
All right?
And Boulder Dash is the only time you're allowed to lie as a Christian. Boulder Dash.
That's a good question. No, you're not allowed to steal it back. If you get it taken from you in one round, you can't take it back. But if in the next round, somebody takes something else from you, you can go back to that other thing that you had in the previous round and you can steal it then. All right?
How many
times can a gift be stolen?
One particular gift in one round can be taken.